Hello guys, good afternoon. So we have followers who requested that if we can share also what are the meanings of the markings in the webbing sling. Of course guys, we can do that one. So if you can see on my background, we have a webbing sling tag. So it's in the inside the tag. If you can see, there is a working load limit highlighted on the upper portion of the tag, which is it shows the type of rigging that a sling can be done. So meaning to say, we have straight leaf, straight legging or vertical leaf. We have choke. We have also U basket, and we have also U basket again, but depends on the what you call this, depending on the degrees of the load. Okay guys, they explain what will be the load that you can lift based on the rigging style that you are doing. Also, in the rigging, in the web sling, it mentioned the working load limit maximum, which is 8 tons, and the safety factor of 7:1, and the material, which is mentioned here at my back, but cannot show because of my background. So meaning to say, the material is polyester, and the standard they use as a reference to test and to verify the integrity of the webbing sling. That's all folks. Yan po ang mga that's all the markings that you can see on the webbing sling. And some questions, sir, how about the color code? The color code stands for the tonnage of the sling. For example, if that is a purple one, purple color of the sling, it means that is only 1 ton. And if your sling is, it's mentioned here, if your sling is 2 ton, the color is green, and your sling is yellow, the tonnage of your sling is 3 ton. Okay guys, maraming salamat and have a safe day.